Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a MOSASAURUS face. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our MOSASAURUS face, we're going to begin up here with the eye. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a line that just goes down, then it's going to come up and back like this. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and it's going to come up. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and down. And then one right here, it's going to come down. And put another line there. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go right above the eye. And above this, we're going to make a line that's going to go up a little bit, and then it's going to come down. Starting right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up to about here. And then starting right in here, we're going to make a line that's going to go all the way out to here, and then it's going to slowly curve down. Next, I'm going to bring this around to here. Now, when I draw this, what we're going to do is we're going to add some little bumps on here because he's going to have some pretty big scales. So we just want to kind of get some of the texture down. So one of the things I want to do is as I draw this, I'm going to go down and then I'm going to bring it up like this. I'm going to make another one that's going to go down and then up, down, over, and up. And I'm just going to continue doing this. So we're going to bring this all the way around here, and we're going to do this right until we get to about underneath the eye. So we're just going to do this a little bit more until we get right about there. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up a little bit, and then it's going to come down and out like this. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come right to about here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down a little bit. Then it's going to come up, and it's going to get wider and wider until it runs right up to here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and it's going to go over to here. Now, back here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down, just to kind of show a few spikes. Now, one of the things I want to do is right here, we're going to add a long line that comes down just to kind of show where the mouth is stretching. And what I like to do is add some little broken lines in here. So just some quick little broken lines just to kind of show that the mouth is really stretching open. Now, up here we want to add some teeth. So the teeth of the MOSASAURUS are going to be kind of long and pointing. They kind of curve back. So we're just going to add some of these long, sharp teeth in here. We're going to bring these all the way down. And we're just going to put these all along here. So we're just going to make some sharp teeth. They're not going to be super gigantic or anything. We'll make them a little smaller as they come back. Then we're actually going to put a little bit bigger teeth on the bottom. So we'll start off with a couple small ones, and then we're going to make a few bigger ones down here. And then we'll just kind of make them a little smaller. There'll be kind of that curved back tooth again. Now, one of the things we want to do is kind of add some of these little big scale shapes up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of make some little broken lines. They're just going to kind of come up and then back down over here. This just kind of shows some detail on here. Kind of shows where the MOSASAURUS has these great big scales on here. And I'm just going to make some smaller ones come down as I get to here. I'm also going to add some of these down here as well, just kind of some broken lines, just kind of round it out. We'll make him get a little smaller. On here. Now, starting up here, we want to start adding some of our details. So one of the things I'm going to do is draw a line that's going to come down to here, kind of show where the jaw is. Then right along here, I'm going to make some long, broken lines. These are going to be just to kind of show some wrinkles on our Mosasaurus face. And we're going to add some up here too. Maybe add another line down here just to make it a little longer. Right here for the pupil, I'm going to add a circle shape. I'm going to add a smaller circle one in here that I'm just going to color this in. I'm going to make kind of like a broken shape back here, just show where there's like an indentation in the head. I'm going to add a couple more little longer lines right around here. I'm going to add just some long kind of broken lines here for some detail, and then a few long broken lines over here. I'm going to add just a couple little lines up here, and then some more kind of broken lines over here, a couple right around there. And then just a few more broken lines over here. Now, right along here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of fill this up with some bigger kind of scale patterns over here. I'm just going to do this very lightly. I'm going to use just some broken lines. You can see my shapes are not complete. And I'm just making lines that just kind of go down, and they're just going to come up just to form some kind of scale texture patterns on here. And we're just going to do this all the way around here just to add a little bit of detail into our Mosasaurus. So I'm just going to kind of fill in these areas real quick. We can make these kind of get a little smaller as they come down. And we'll make them a little bit smaller down here too. And we're just going to kind of fill this up down here with these scale shapes. I'm going to make them kind of come up here a little bit, and we'll add just a few more kind of smaller scale shapes up here by the face. And I'm just going to kind of add some small little kind of circular shapes around here, just to add a little bit of texture and detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Mosasaurus face. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.